Right, hi everyone, welcome back to my garage. Still continuing on the inner sill on this Mini. Last time I done a bit of welding and got the inner sill attached to the illboard repair bit. I've got it all sat in here now, and I've just been trimming through here a bit, so I'm going to tack this all in place now. It's not right the way through, but I'm going to get a couple of tacks on it, but it's all lining up really nicely. So yeah, I'm going to start getting some welding done. So I'll set the camera up over there. There's not really much to film, it's just the same as the other side, but hopefully it might be of interest to someone. But like I said before, hindsight, I'd have probably bought like the wider inner sills, but it's okay, it's not too bad, so we'll crack on and get this done. Right, we'll get a couple of tacks and that in this and then see how we go. I don't know if I want more light or less light or what light. What does that look like? Don't look too bad. There we go. I can't see nothing. Right, I think I'll stop that there because with the light on it makes it all reflective in the camera, and with it off so you can see then I can't see, so I'll be back once I've got it all welded in there. Right, I'm getting there now. I've got most of it welded in. It's all welded in along the floor. Still got a couple more plug welds to do on there. I forgot to clean the paint off of that bit, and that's got to be plug welded. I've done down that side. All the companion bins all plug welded up from underneath. That's tacked in down there. It's welded in at the top. I'm just sorting out the closing panel for down in there. Obviously we'll have to cut that bit of rot out like the other side so we can get to the back side of the closing panel as well while we're there. We've got that and that to go in. Once them two bits are in, then I can drop the subframe back down again and finish welded in the toe board repair. But it's just really awkward trying to film the welding, because if I put the light on it, then I can see, but it just looks like a big white blur on the camera. So I'll just film a bit and show you how I'll keep getting on. But we're getting there. Nearly done this side. I've got to spot weld all of this along the seam as well. But yeah, it's all good. It's coming together. Yeah, here's the bit I cut out down there, look. That looks nice, doesn't it? Full up filler. It's going to be a much better car. Right, go. Right, so once again another day's flown past, but I've got all of that closing plate in there now. We've got that kind of stitched on there. It don't look that great, but then I haven't cleaned it up yet. So I don't know if you can see the closing plate. You might be able to. Just about. Still got a tack on that, the end of that piece there. Yeah, as well. But yeah, it's all in there and it's all solid. So yeah, and I've spot welded that along there, not right at the front because I still got to do a little bit of work there, so I didn't want to tie that bit up in case I need to cut it into it again. But yeah, it's all gone in there pretty good. I think it's a bit quicker than the other side, maybe because I've already done one side. But yeah, so my next plan is still need to get the rear subframe back out and then finish the welding off around the heel board repair section, and then yeah, that's this side pretty much done apart from the front bit and the floor. So I need to do all the same again as I've done the other side with repairing the bottom up to here, but I don't think this side's as bad, even though there's a big chunk of fiberglass in there. But we got a repair section for that anyway, so it shouldn't be any problems. Right, so thanks for joining me again and seeing what I'm up to, and yeah, we're getting there with this thing. But it's a lot more welding than I thought. But yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all again next week. Cheers.